Hello everyone, my name is Will Mansard, Sales Manager at Bastian Solutions. There's no doubt that the pandemic brought about a lot of disruption and uncertainty in our market, but there was also a lot of growth, specifically in e-commerce demand. At Bastian Solutions, our mission is to help our clients navigate this uncertainty and give them a competitive edge by delivering world-class solutions. We've released a breakdown for creating a foundation of resilience and success in the e-commerce market in the new Retail, Apparel, and Footwear playbook. Today, I'd like to dive into what these market changes mean for your fulfillment operation and discuss a few key considerations when evaluating automation and how we go about uncovering the right technology to fit your needs. Now, we all know that e-commerce was mainstream prior to the pandemic. And for years now, brick and mortar retailers have been revamping shopping experiences in-store and online. The events of 2020 have only accelerated this transition. So what does this mean for distribution center order fulfillment? Well, naturally what it means is an increase to direct-to-consumer shipments, changes to typical order profiles going from larger retail orders to smaller e-com orders, increased volumes, new channels such as buy online, pick up in store. It means creating a fulfillment solution that is flexible, and certainly the need to get orders to the customer quicker, all while dealing with a very challenging labor market. These factors create a need to rethink the process inside a distribution center, and adapting the right level of automation will be a big part of this. Technologies such as goods to person, unit sortation, robotic picking, and others have become staples of automated omni-channel fulfillment centers. At Bastian Solutions, we recognize that there is a lot to think about when determining the right type of automation, and we are here to help you. I'd like to walk you through 4 key elements that will help give us the proper insight and help uncover the right fit for you. First and foremost, we want to study your operation. We will get familiar with the flow of inbound, pick, pack, and ship, returns, and any value-added services. This will help us map the material flow, understand your pain points, and start to really evaluate where areas of automation fit well. Building on this, the next key component is your dependency on labor. We want to understand current job functions, the number of employees involved in each step. What is the labor market like in your area? What's the split between full-time and temporary workforce? What challenges do you have getting through peaks such as Black Friday? E-fulfillment can involve a lot of manual operations, which can account for more than 75% of your total workforce. As we look into the future, this may not be sustainable. Evaluating the labor element will help us put together an ROI to guide the recommendation. Next, we'll want to define the forecast. Are we considering 5 years or 10 years out, something else? Establishing boundaries will ensure we consider a scalable solution that can be expanded as your business grows. Lastly, we'll need to do a thorough analysis of your current order data and inventory. We like to analyze a year's worth of data and become very familiar with order profiles, peaks and valleys, and the distinction between retail and e-commerce volumes. Research shows that 90% of retailers plan to implement a click and collect strategy in 2021. So discussing how this could affect your operation will be critical as well. There's also a speed factor, so we'll want to know your current and future SLA requirements. Are you aiming for next day or even same day delivery? At Bastian Solutions, we believe in automating appropriately. As independent integrators, our data-backed approach identifies the best combination of order fulfillment technology and software for a complete engineered solution. Our retail apparel and footwear playbook dives deeper into each of these points and more. You can access it directly at bastiansolutions.com.